In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to change Steam account name. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to open your Steam account, and then at the top right corner, you have to click that one, and then click this view my profile, the very first one here, tap that. Now you can see your profile name here. You just have to go to the right side and click this edit profile. So under edit profile, if you scroll down here under about, you see that you can change your profile name. You can even add your real name if you want. Okay, and you can also add custom URL if you want. Let's just say I want to change it to Ellie. Now change my location. Display your location is up to you. Okay, so profile preferences, you can tap this if hide community awards and then click save. Now, if you go back here, you will see that you have changed your profile name, okay, or Steam account name. So if you go back to your home, you will also see there at the top right corner that your Steam name has been changed. So if you want to change your name again and again, you just have to do the same thing.
So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.